Handloom amadi textile asi aikoigi identity ni sector asi yokhanaba amadi promote tawba asi aikoigi maruoiba thodang ni haina Science and Technology ki Secretary Kengoo Zuringla na phongdokrai wafam asi Imphal East ki Nilakuthi da leiba Urban Hatta chathariba Manipur International Textiles Expo Manitex 2025 ki ngasi homni chanba numita chathakiba Weaving a Sustainable Future Manipur's Handloom Heritage to Global Fashion haiba hiramda khana nainabagi thoramda phongdokhibani thoramaduda Kengoo na makha taraduna Directorate of Handloom and Textiles ki meeting makhada pangthokliba Manitex 2025 asuna lamdam asigi handloom sector asi global thakta yobang amlei Expo asigi kuthangda handloom amadi textile ki sector asida anoba talent sing khangdok nabagi tanjama supiri haki Thoramaduda Cooperative Societies Manipur ki Register W Ibohal CAU Imphal ki COF ki Dean Professor NG Iboyaima Handloom and Textiles Manipur ki Director Elangbam Jiten Mutua Museum Imphal ki Founder amadi Director Mutua Bahadur yauna lamdam asida leiba masak naiba weaver amadi artisan kayana sarukyaki nungthil gi matamda Driving Green Growth a workshop on innovation and sustainable production practice hai bahiramda workshop amasu pangthoki workshop asida tonga ba experts sing resource person oina wangangki
The handloom and textiles are our identity as well as our responsibility. We are very strongly community based and our lives are deeply embedded in our culture, which we not only should preserve but keep it vibrant. And that's where we all must do our part to promote, nurture, keep it growing, keep the unity spirit and also the spirit of cooperation among weavers, among artisans and among different cooperatives. The culture of weaving on a loin loom has fascinated many people and has attracted the attention of many across the nations.